How to delete watch history on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete your watch history on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your watch history on Netflix, there are two types of watch history. One is the continue watching one, the other is the watch history itself. So if you want to delete your continue watching, let's say I log into one of my Netflix account here. What I need to do is I just need to go ahead and select continue watching. I can tap the three dots option right next to a specific show, tap on remove from row, tap on OK button to remove them from your continue watching list. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and then actually open up your browser to delete all of your viewing history. Go to netflix.com from browser and not the app. Once you're there from the browser, what you want to do is just tap the three lines option that you can find here. Once you tap the three lines option, just go to this option known as account. Once you go to account, scroll down, select the profile for which you want to delete all of the viewing history, and then after that just select this option known as viewing activity. Tap on the view option. Over here you'll be able to see all of this person's viewing watch history. You can just go and select them, tap on the hide all option in order to successfully go ahead and then delete their watch history on Netflix. This way you can delete watch history on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.